Hi, I'm Jim Elser, Sweet Smoke Q. Today we're going to do some apple cherry glazed chicken wings with a side of rosemary potato wedges. All right, first we're going to take these whole wings and cut them down to sections. Once we cut them down to sections, we're going to add our favorite barbecue rub. I like Sweet Smoke Q rub, but you can use your favorite rub. We're going to place the wings on the grill at 325 for about an hour and a half. Now that the wings are on the grill, we're going to start our potatoes. Start off by wedging some potatoes. We're going to add salt, pepper, ancho chili, butter, and olive oil. And then we're going to place them in the same grill at 325. After about 45 minutes, once they're tender, we're going to add some blue cheese to it. If you don't like blue cheese, you don't have to put the blue cheese in, but blue cheese makes them really good. We're going to let that blue cheese melt a little bit for 5 to 7 minutes. Once that blue cheese melts, we're going to pull it out. After an hour, we're going to glaze the chicken with an apple cherry habanero glaze. We're going to flip it over and glaze the other side. Around an hour and a half and the glaze starting to set, or internal temperature of 195, you can pull them. We got our wings. You might want to let them cool because they're going to be sticky and hot. So let them cool a little bit. We're going to plate up. Add the potato wedges. Now you got dinner. Thank you for watching and see you next time.